What if FBI negotiators had kept talking instead of launching the final assault on the Branch Davidian compound in April 1993? The 51-day standoff at Waco had already stretched everyone's patience thin. But imagine if they had waited just a few more weeks. David Koresh was reportedly close to surrendering, telling negotiators he needed to finish writing his religious manuscript. A peaceful resolution could have saved 76 lives, including 25 children who died in the fire, but the ripple effects go much deeper. Timothy McVeigh watched the compound burn on television, filling him with rage against the federal government. 2 years later, he bombed the Oklahoma City Federal Building, killing 168 people. Without Waco's tragedy fueling anti-government sentiment, McVeigh might never have acted. The militia movement that exploded across America in the 90s used Waco as their rallying cry. Patience could have prevented decades of domestic terrorism. Sometimes the most powerful weapon is simply waiting.